This is Brittany with WTI, and we are going to organize that underwear drawer once and for all. I am obsessed with this organizer set. It comes with 3. You actually get 2 of this one that has a slightly smaller cell, and then you have this one that's a slightly bigger cell. So you can see the difference when you look at it like that. And I really like that because this one, I can fold up my slips and undershirts, things like that. I can roll them up and fit this one in my drawer, and then this one can go for my underwear or socks, whatever I want to put in there. And it does come as a 3-pack. Something else I love about this particular organizer is that it does have a bottom to it. So I double stack them even. So I put all 3 in one drawer, even though only 2 fit in my drawer side by side. And then I just can pull out the top one when I need to see the bottom layer, and I'm good to go. It's also very convenient to pull it out for after laundry when you're folding things and putting them back away. It makes it so much easier. You're not standing at the drawer trying to fold stuff. So I couldn't be happier with this. It has changed my entire underwear drawer, and that's my point of view.